Hello everyone, welcome to All About My Home YouTube channel. For today's video, I will show you my version of this popular 3-ingredient Oreo cake. No bake, no flour, and no egg. This recipe is super tasty and that even my picky eater son loves it. Let's get started. For the Oreo cake ingredients, we will need 28 pieces Oreo cookies, 250 ml fresh milk, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of instant coffee powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Break the Oreo cookies into smaller pieces, then put it in a grinder or blender to make a fine powder, or you can just put into a plastic Ziploc bag and grind manually. Then, transfer into a bowl and pour the room temperature milk and the baking powder. Then, mix using a wire whisk. I also add half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of instant coffee powder into this mixture. Then, mix the Oreo mixture until it becomes smooth. Grease the pot with oil, but do not use olive oil for the aroma is so strong. Put the parchment paper on the bottom of the pot and grease again with oil. Pour the batter mixture and tap twice to take away the bubbles on the mixture. Let it cook for 50 to 60 minutes in a very low flame. Use a toothpick to check if the cake is ready. If the toothpick comes out clean, then the cake is ready. Let it cool, then unmold the cake. The Oreo cake is ready! Now, let's prepare for the chocolate ganache. For chocolate ganache, I am using 1:1 ratio, which means I am using equal amount of the ingredients, the whipping cream and the chocolate. I will be using 200 grams chocolate, grams dark chocolate, and 100 grams milk chocolate, 200 ml whipping cream, and 15 grams butter. First, chop the chocolates into smaller pieces and put it into a bowl. And since I don't have available bowl, I am using a pot. Bring near to boil the whipping cream, but do not let it boil. Then, pour the hot whipping cream into a bowl or a pot of chocolate and let it sit for a minute before mixing it. This is to soften the chocolate. Stir until smooth, then add the butter for more shiny and silky chocolate ganache. If the ganache is too thin, let it cool down a little bit until it thickens. Pour the chocolate ganache on top of the cake and let it cover well. Then transfer into the plate. Put some sprinkles on top and then it's ready. So easy, so simple, but so tasty and yummy. That's it. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, give us a thumb and subscribe. And click the notification bell for more updates. Bye-bye!